Hello my alien students, hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to learn something very important, and many students have asked me this question, and they have something called as confusion in this. I don't know why, but they do have confusion. The topic is about dimensioning and multi-leaders. Okay, I know dimensioning, everybody can do dimensioning. The topic here is annotative dimensioning, in the sense using a scale. Okay, what do I mean by that? You'll understand. Okay, just a second. Okay, let's suppose we want to draw, or we want to print this drawing, this clock. Okay, so now let's suppose we will want to print this drawing. Okay, and let's say we have a plot scale. Okay, this is 1 to 2 scale. Okay, what I will do is, listen, there's 2-3 methods how to do it. Let me show you. Let me just delete this. Okay, show you how to do it. Okay, we are here, right click, add a new layout or new page setup, I would say, or easier than that, go to the view. I think I should be using a layout, sorry. Okay, insert a rectangular view, that's a viewport. Okay, and then you can see the drawing. Okay, then click here and try to make the scale, let's say 1:2, 1:1 scale to fit. No, not scale to fit, 1:1. 1:1 becomes so I need to change the scale, let's say 1 to 2. Okay, let's suppose this scale 1 to 4. Okay, it doesn't look too big. I think 1 to 2 looks good. And what I can do is I can just extend this a bit bigger, so you can pan it. Okay, let's suppose this is the drawing, or this is a drawing. Okay, this is a viewport. This scale is set to 1 to 2. Okay, or before, instead of that making life so difficult, let me make it much easier. Listen, very simple. Okay, I have one drawing. Okay, this scale is 1 to 1 actually. Okay, this is a drawing of 1 to 1. Okay, my question is, okay, if, and there's another drawing of, let me make it easier. Sorry for this. Okay, I have a layout which is of scale 1 to 100. Okay, and then I'm going to just copy the whole scale and make the scale. Okay, what is this? This is 100. I want to make it 1. Okay, so you can see the difference. Going to be, this is small, you get the picture. Okay, now let me just draw a line here. Okay, and I'm going to draw a similar line there. Okay, and okay, I'm going to show you what's the difference between annotative scale and what is annotative scale. Okay, currently, just a second. Okay, you're back. Yeah, so let's suppose we want to draw a line. Okay, and let me just draw this, control print. We're going to do it as a PDF, drawing to PDF. Use ISO, expand, it is an A3 paper. Window. Okay, doesn't matter, just say continue. I'll tell you what does it mean. Okay, now we're going to put dimensions for this. Okay, we know the scale now. This drawing is going to be put, this line, this geometry is going to be put in this scale of 1:100. Okay, I hope this is clear so far. Okay, and I'm just doing an example. Okay, and here we have another drawing which is scaled to 1 to 1, which we just now did it. Okay, and I'm going to draw a similar line which is a smaller object, and let's say previous plot. I'm trying to make it, it's going to be okay. 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 Now my question is, okay, my question. Now look at this question. Okay, look at this. Listen. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the scale, LT scale, to make it 100. Okay, because I'm in this drawing. I'm going to put the normal dimension, standard dimension. Sorry, this is an annotation. The same logic. Okay, this is the normal one. Okay, it says set current, close, and then put a dimension here. Now you think it becomes too small. Everybody has this problem. Okay, so people say, John, how do I solve this issue? Okay, or let me put it here and maybe it looks big here. You get the picture. So this looks, there's something wrong here. What I'm going to teach you now is, whenever you're going to draw this dimension, put dimensions to this. Okay, I'm going to teach you the trick now. You shouldn't be having a problem. You should be like, perfect. How to do it? This is when you come to the concept called annotative scale. Okay, what you're going to do is, just a second, I'm going to make this screen, try to make this, this guy is not that helpful. Okay, I think the most important thing is you need to see this part. Okay, okay, what I'm going to do is, I will, just a second, yeah, listen. Now what I'm going to do is, now we are in a 1-to-1 drawing, isn't it? We are in a 1-to-1. This is the 1-to-1. Okay. Let me show you what I want. Click this annotative, this annotation, annotative, right? Annotative. Okay. Click new, annotative, continue. Okay, primary doesn't matter. I want the text. Okay, we want the text, the finished text, to be 2.5 millimeter, which looks good on the printed paper, which is excellent. And if you want, looks good. If you, everything looks good, normal. You want 2 point, looks good. That doesn't, looks good. Okay. Now, copy, set as current, and then close it. Okay. Okay. Now, you're currently set to blah blah blah. We will change it. I need to 1-to-1. Okay. Now click this, click this, click this. Okay. 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 Look at this. Okay, so this looks good now, isn't it? It's clear and whatever. Okay, now my question is, when I would put the same dimension here, same thing. Okay, it is annotative, click linear, make sure it is annotative. Okay, why is it so small that I can't see it? Okay, there's a trick here. Okay, so now the scale is, you see, when I put the dimension, it was too small, I can't see it. I have to zoom to see it. Okay, so what you should do is something very simple. Okay, we have the object. Go and see what's the scale, 1 to 100. So go and click here, go and click 1 to 100. Make this first, then click here. Okay, click here, click here. Okay, okay, then see, make sure it is 1 to 100. Okay, now I show you one more trick here. I wanted to show you this. See, now it looks normal, isn't it? You can see it on the screen. Here it looks okay. Is this clear? Okay, make sure down 1 to 100 is selected. That is important. Okay, now let me show you one more question. The same logic in dimension. If I were to say text also, let's say multileaders, multi-line text. Okay. Go to annotation. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. Okay, here you need to make sure, let's say I make a new style 1 annotative. What size you want to make? Let's say 2.25. Okay, let's say apply. Okay, make sure, yes, this is the most important thing. Okay, set as current and click yours. Okay, 1 to 100 is there. Multi-line text. Let's say this is 1 to 100 text. Okay, looks normal. Okay, when I print it looks good. So it looks the size which I need it to be printed. Okay, this looks good, readable. Okay, now my question is, when I would add, right click, let's say add selected. Okay, and I come down, you see the text is too big. This is not, too big. You know, you say start complaining, isn't it? No, it's too big. How do I make it small? Okay, so there are different methods to do it. Okay, now I'm in a 1 to 1 drawing, so I will change the scale to 1 to 1. Okay, and then I would click here, and here annotative scale, can you see? Add 1 to 1. Click OK. Okay, now you see. So the trick is you need to change this and this. Okay, so when I print this, okay, looks good, isn't it? Looks normal. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this class. What I was trying to convey message was, this is the most important thing. You first make sure you are on. Maybe I will make another clearer video on how to do it step by step. Maybe you will understand it much clearer. Okay, for example, let me show you a multi-leader. Okay, one. Okay. Okay. Okay, this looks good, but when I come here, it looks too small. Too small, you see. So what we're going to do is simple, very simple. When I create it in as a, sorry. Annotative, continue. Looks good. Text height 4, 2.5 I would recommend. Doesn't matter, you keep it as a block. Okay, he would do it, don't normally. He knows what he's doing. set as current, close it. Then now it is a 1 to 1, change to 1 to 100. Okay, multi-leader, close it. You see, I hope you get the picture. The trick is you need to change this to 1 to 100, which scale you are in, and I just show you now on the story. Right click, add selected. Okay, I'm just trying to show you something here. Okay, let's say here, let's say 2. You see it becomes too big, isn't it? So what you should have done is first change the scale to 1 to 1, select it, and then change the scale to 1 to 1. Okay, you see now it looks normal, isn't it? Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Take care. See you all fresh in the next class. Take care. Yeah, bye.